Thanks for clicking on my video. This is the last stretch of surface Route 30 before we get on the Exton Bypass towards Coatesville. At about the 6-minute mark, James is going to read an article from 1925 about the 3-lane stretch of highway between the border of Exton and Coatesville, which you might find of some interest.
The work of paving the Lincoln Highway between Downingtown and Exton, which has been in progress since last summer, is fast nearing completion, and if favorable weather continues for a short time longer, it will be virtually finished this year. All the concrete work has been done, and the contractor's workmen are now engaged in rebuilding the central macadam section of the roadway. The improvement is one of the finest that has yet been made in the section, and it had the virtue of being done without the traffic over the highway being shut off. A new plan of building one side of the road at a time was tried out, and it worked like a charm. While traffic was delayed at times, it was never shut off. In the first place, this kind of a road can be built without shutting off all traffic. There is great saving in cost since the old macadam is left in the center of the road and with a few repairs is good for many years. Indeed, a road 30 feet wide is thereby built at the cost of a road only 20 feet wide. Since motorists naturally want to keep on the concrete, they keep on their own side of the road, and the macadam section gets comparatively little traffic and needs only slight repairs. The completion this year of this section of highway has led to considerable speculation as to whether any further construction work of this kind will be done on the Lincoln Highway next year. There are rumors that this plan of construction is to be continued on east next year. It is also said that something may be done west of Coatesville early in the spring. The building of a highway of this kind west of Coatesville would necessitate a large amount of work in widening the road, but the result would be a tremendous improvement.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
No!
Coffin Apartments,